We think about our role as citizens of the world, of our environment, as being an opportunity to enhance it, to improve it, not to deplete it.
The project is a 2-story environmental centered classroom building. It's a net zero goal. We have radiant heating, we have solar panels, no cooling, it's all outside air ventilation.
Our goal here is to make a building that not only is zero emissions, but also reduces maintenance, reduces energy costs. It's the win-win-win that we talk about in sustainable design that we were trying to do here at the Neuva School.
Well, this is a school community that's really committed to certain ideals, and one of them is to ensure we live in the greenest world we can, whether it is considering our usage or hopefully our divestment at some point in fossil fuels or some version of that. Things we know as a school need to be addressed by upcoming generations. And so for us to be able to model that, for us to be able to walk the talk with a net zero building and something that is designed with such intentionality and purpose is really, really powerful for the kids and the whole community.
We have pre-K working with 12th graders and everyone in between. They're learning about different sustainability initiatives and climate change, and they take that home and share it with their parents and then take it to their greater community. What they've learned, they're taking and spreading this information out.
I would love it if students became fired up. All it takes is firing up one imagination, and that person goes out in the world and makes big changes.
It's our ability to inspire our community members, our learners, to take the inspiration and the knowledge and the questions and the surprise and delight during their time here and carrying it forward beyond our campus, beyond that building, making a difference in the world. That sounds horribly aspirational, but it matters to us.